Hello, my name is Duan Dario Galvis. I'm from Colombia. My age, I am 30 years old. My occupation, I am a public official. I am married. My short personality description, I am intelligent, kind, worker, and happy. I live in Dos Quebradas de Risaralda with my wife, Julie. I don't have a mansion, but I have a beautiful house. The house has three bedrooms, one, two, three, and one is bigger than the other. The living room is better than the kitchen. The windows are numerous than the door. Excuse me. The dining room, the dining room is bigger than the TV. Thank you very much. Happy day.